we're actually discussing about countries that will pay any amount for your product, okay, to get your product. And we say we have about I think 1, 2, 3. I'm reading from the International Trade Center's website. I've just given you the website, and I will still drop the website on the description box. So we have about 11 or 12 products here. These are the products that the world really needs from Nigeria, and these are countries that will pay any amount for this product. We have the cocoa bean as number 1, just like as I'm arranging it like that. We have the cashew nut in shell, not cashew kernel. There's a difference between cashew kernel and cashew nut in shell. Cashew kernel is the one that have been peeled, okay, that is white. The cashew nut is the raw cashew nut, that one that when you peel it, it has water, that people use the water to do bleaching. You can use it to draw mark. I remember those days that we are growing, we are using it to draw mark. So we have cashew bean, number 1, cashew nut, number 2, sesame seed, number 3, shrimps and prawns, number 4, but frozen shrimps and prawns, number 4, ginger, number 5, cashew nut shell. One is cashew nut in shell. That is the cashew nut that is in shell. Another one is cashew nuts that have been shelled. Cashew nut in shell and cashew nut shell. Cocoa, butter, fat and oil, number 7. Then we have medicinal plants, number 8. Okay, we just take these 8 that are on the top list. Okay, so all these products that I have listed that the world is looking at Nigeria to obtain it from, which countries actually need this the most? Which countries? So we go for cocoa bean, and we say the market for cocoa bean is Netherlands number 1, Germany number 2, Indonesia number 3, Malaysia number 4, Belgium number 5. And if you want to know the exact export potential for this cocoa bean, you go to that website that I told you, www.intrasend.org. So you now see the real market potential. Is it $3 billion? Is it $4 billion? Then you can read, you can do in-depth study. Don't come and be asking me, please, how many tons are they buying? Or I'm giving you this as an idea. Then you can now revisit and do your research. What is research? Research means research. It means somebody have already searched, but you are researching. So if you think of research, you think of search. Research. Queen Omada have searched. You have to research. That is research. Don't come and give me all the work, if I'll break your head. Okay, so the number 2 on our list is cashew nuts. Cashew nut in shell. Okay, cashew nut in shell. Cashew nut, raw cashew nut. The one that the back is like gray, a bit green. Gray. I think that's the word. Green is not like this green, it's gray. Okay, so cashew nut in shell, and we say which market desperately need this cashew nut? Even without telling you, know that Vietnam, they're always here. So I don't need to even look at my computer. You know that Vietnam, they are rushing us. They are everywhere, even in our villages. The country that buy this is Vietnam, number 1, India, number 2, China, number 3, Saudi Arabia, number 4, Indonesia, number 5, and United Arab Emirates, number 6, Belgium, number 7. Then the 3rd on our list will be sesame seed. You know sesame seed is called Ridi in Nigeria. My people call it Igogo Amidoma. Okay, so my people call it Igogo. So which people are actually desperate for this sesame seed? China number 1, Japan number 2, Turkey number 3, Vietnam number 4, Germany number 5. Don't come and tell me that Auntie Debbie, please come and go and research the market for me. This is just an idea, so you know where you are looking for. Like I said, research means somebody have searched for you, then you need to search again. You have to research. That is why it is called research. Queen Omada have searched, but you need to research. So you must do your homework. Don't leave everything for me. If not, you send me a message, I will not answer. That's the truth. I'm just telling you the gospel of St. John. So because some people like you to do all the work for you, this channel is to give you idea, give you source of where you can get your information. You to do small work now. The next on our list is ginger. Ginger, oh ginger. You know ginger is my own now. I do spice. I flavor people's life, whether in the rural area or my exportation business. All I do is aromatic, spices. I like scent. I like good smell. Okay, so ginger is number 4. And where is the market for the Nigerian ginger? So let's explore together. Number 1 on our list for the market for Nigerian ginger is United Arab Emirates. Dubai, what we call Dubai. So my friend will say Dubai is do and buy. You go there, they sell everything for you, Dubai. But in this case, they are the one that is buying from us. They are the one that is rushing us. They are the one that is doing and buying from us. So it's not we doing and buying from them. Okay, so Dubai number 1, Germany number 2, Netherlands number 3, United States number 4, Pakistan number 5. So you will say no wonder Netherlands they rush me. You people can see the logic, eh? So I say countries that will pay any amount for your product. I think I should say country that will rush you for your product. So now that we are talking about ginger, I listed 5 countries and you see Netherlands. So that is why they are rushing me. Give me some slack, I beg. Some people will say, why are you the Prado? Are they proud that I don't want to buy Prado? Okay. That is the market for ginger for Nigeria. Okay, so the next on our list is cashew nut shell. The first one is cashew nut in shell. This one is cashew nut that have been shelled, that the back have been removed, what some people will call cashew kernel. Okay, so where is the market for cashew nuts that have been shelled, that the back have been removed? And we say number 1 is Vietnam. Vietnam is the one that is buying the raw cashew nuts. They are still the one that is buying the one that is shelled. So Vietnam is first for cashew nuts in shell. They are also first for cashew nut shell. So Vietnam number 1, Germany number 2, United Arab Emirates number 3, Netherlands number 4, United States number 5. So you always know that when you talk about cashew, Vietnam, they don't carry eye see our cashew. Okay, so the next one is cocoa butter and fat. Okay, cocoa butter and fat. If you are into cocoa butter and fat, where is the market for cocoa butter and fat? I like this because this is a little bit processed. It's not like the raw cocoa bean. Okay, so cocoa butter and fat, here's the market. Netherlands number 1, Germany number 2, Russian Federation number 3, France number 4, United States number 5. And which product are we talking about here? Cocoa butter, fat and oil. Which product? Cocoa butter, fat and oil. Okay, so the next on our list is medicinal plants. What are medicinal plants? Basop leaf, neem leaf, baobab leaf, all those leaves that you have that you are just throwing away here. Okay, so these are medicinal plants, and there are some countries that will pay any amount for such products. Okay, so where is the market for medicinal plants in the world? Which countries are ready to pay any amount for Nigerians to actually grow this plant, do it in such a way that it is presentable and export it to them? 5 countries that will pay any amount. Number 1, Germany. Number 2, Brazil. Number 3, United States. Number 4, United Arab Emirates. And number 5, Japan. Okay, so these are the countries that will pay any amount for this product. Okay, so I have given you some tips. The product has so many, but I just took the ones at the top. I think we have measured how many so far. Cashew bean number 1, cocoa bean number 1, cashew nut in shell number 2, sesame seed number 3, ginger number 4, cashew nut shell number 5, cocoa butter fat oil number 6. Actually promise you people 8 too. Medicinal plants number 7. Then shrimps and prawns, the ones that are frozen, that is our 8. Shrimps and prawns, the ones that are frozen, especially those of you that are in South, okay, Niger Delta and the rest. So shrimps and prawns, the one that is frozen. Where do you have market for this product? So let's explore. China number 1, Japan number 2, United States number 3, Vietnam number 4, Spain number 5 because I like the ones that will pay you any amount, that will help you to be jackpotting in style. You jackpot this week, jackpot next 3 weeks, jackpot 5 weeks time. They'll say, come, let us reason together. Come, let me train you so that you'll be bringing this product for me. Come and sign contract. Come and understand my culture. Come and understand my pain so that you can produce this thing. Those are the countries. So let's keep to 5. So these are the 8 products, and these are the countries that will pay any amount for this product. Okay. So we have come to the end of this class, and thank you so much. Till I bring another fabulous topic your way. If you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing so that we spread the word to those that are actually looking for what to do and they don't have idea on what to do. And please click on the notification bell so that anytime I post new video, you'll be the first to know. And to our returning subscriber, Eshego Ainya wone senu na gode sose uno. Oh, thank you. You guys have been so fabulous. For now, is a bye for me. Bye.